Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap, liberal, local, and long distance movers near me. Our long distance traveling threshold is as far as 50 miles away from our current location. We have an excellent relationship with the federal and state agencies in charge of relocation procedures to make relocating even more accessible. We have insurance to cover damages that may arise during the transfer. Despite our extensive insurance coverage, we ensure that our movers and drivers are very experienced in handling your valuables. Our movers will sort your items and carefully pack them into the vehicles that they will be driving. Long distance relocations are no problem for our vehicles since they are large and well equipped. Our drivers use caution while on the road. They also obey the rules of the road and drive cautiously. We deliver your possessions to you in the same condition as we pick them up from you. All fantastic services are available at unbelievably low costs. Local relocations typically involve less than 50 miles between your current home or office and the new one. Hence, it's less expensive and less stressful, but it also requires hiring the best hands. At 3 Movers, we prepare for local relocations with the same enthusiasm and professionalism as long-distance relocations to avoid complications during the process. We price our local relocation services cheaply at $30 to $40 per hour. The exact amount you'll pay depends on the distance we're moving your belongings to, the nature of the size of your stuff, among other factors. In addition to local and long distance moving, our liberal moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.